go! Bring the noise!
Say I'm OD. I guess I'm out here bumping on too many keys. I gotta get that up in my system. And every time I like to bump up on my system. Big beats, loud sounds, keep going, nigga. I love to be the party of the show, nigga. I love to be out there going hella wild. I be busting shrooms, I be smoking hella cloud.
Need someone to numb the pain. Oh, staying in my play pretend where the fun ain't got no end. Oh, can't go home alone again. Need someone to numb the pain. You're gone and I gotta stay high all the time. I gotta stay high all the time. I gotta stay high all the time. To keep you up on my mind.
Not even morphine rain could ease my pain. There's no prescription to my addiction. No, not even free champagne or pure cocaine can handle my affliction. Can't handle my affliction. No.
Life's a game. Need to change and rearrange my mind frame. Yes, questions that I ask, I don't have the answers to. But life is far from the avenue that I'm driving on. I always make the wrong turn. I guess it's just another lesson to learn. My life is far from simple. Now I got that gun to my temple. I hope that it don't go loud.
Where the fun ain't got no end. Oh, can't go home alone again. Need someone to numb the pain. Oh, staying in my play
matter of fact.